everybody and welcome back. My name is Karen and you have probably seen the last few steps on the previous days. This dance that we're doing today, it is again the cha-cha-cha. It is one of the 5 Latin dances. We have samba, cha-cha-cha, rumba, paso doble and jive. So I'm so excited to do our new step because it is one of my favorite steps in the cha-cha, but I do have to recap on what we've already done. So we do right, left, cha-cha-cha, left, right. Remember the nice arms? Step, step, cha-cha-cha, step, step, right leg back, back, cha-cha-cha, left forward, cha-cha-cha, right leg back, cha-cha-cha, forward, cha-cha-cha, side scoop, very good, jump, and remember the strong forward, boom, boom, back, back, forward, forward, back, squat down, head, and up. Now we have our Cuban break. Side, side, double, double, single. 1, 2, stop, hip, hip. Okay, so that is how far we've got up to so far, but now we're gonna learn the next step. Now we have our feet and our weight is between our 2 legs, and we're gonna bring our right foot across, replace back, and then we cha-cha-cha to the side. Cha-cha-cha. And now we do exactly the same the other side. Left leg, left, replace back, cha-cha-cha. Right leg, cha-cha-cha. Left leg, cha-cha-cha. Easy. So we have 4 of them, and this step is called the New Yorker. Everybody that dances cha-cha-cha will know when you say, I danced and I learned the New Yorker. So that's a new step for you. So, right leg, cha-cha-cha. Left leg, cha-cha-cha. Right leg, cha-cha-cha. Left, cha-cha-cha. Okay, now we're going to talk about the arms because we can't forget about them. We have, again, our right hand up with our right middle finger down. Same with the left. So when we go across with our right leg, we do cha-cha-cha, right across. We're gonna lift our left hand, okay? So opposite to our leg. If we use our right leg, it's our left hand. If we use our left leg, it's our right hand we lift. And when we lift it, it's straight up in the air. So a lovely straight arm. And always in cha-cha, we break our wrist. So we don't have a straight arm up, we break the wrist down. Okay, so we do cross, cha-cha-cha, arm, cha-cha-cha, arm, cha-cha-cha, and arm, cha-cha-cha. Okay, a little bit quicker. Right leg, right, 1, 2, 3, left, 1, 2, 3, right, 1, 2, 3, and left, cha-cha-cha. Very good. So we have 4 New Yorkers that we just done. Now we're gonna learn our last step of the day, which is the spot turn. Why is it called the spot turn? Because when you turn, you have to pick a spot on the wall, spot, and then you turn. Cha-cha-cha. Spot, turn, cha-cha-cha. So this step is going to be repeated 4 times. And what you do is you bring your right foot across exactly like we did in our New Yorker, but now we're going to add a spin. So we do right, turn, cha-cha-cha. And now we do the same. Left, turn, cha-cha-cha. Right, turn, cha-cha-cha. And left, turn, cha-cha-cha. Easy peasy. Now let's do our New Yorks and straight into the turns. You will be a bit dizzy after the turns, but practice makes perfect. So here we go. 1, cha-cha-cha. 2, cha-cha-cha. 3, cha-cha-cha. 4, here we go, turn around, cha-cha-cha, turn around, cha-cha-cha, turn around, cha-cha-cha, last one, cha-cha-cha. Okay, very good. So now let's do a complete recap. Let's do from the very beginning up to this. So here we go, and step. So this is our time step we're doing. Time step, cha-cha-cha. Time step, cha-cha-cha, moving the arms, cha-cha, basic, back, 1, 2, 3, forward, cha-cha-cha, very good, cha-cha-cha, keep going, cha-cha-cha, scoop, scoop, big clap, up, now box, hip, hip, back, back, hip, hip, back, back, drop, hit. Now our Cuban breaks. If you remember all these steps, I'll be so happy with the names. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Double, single, stop, hip, hip. Now this is the new part. And forward, 1, 2, 3. Forward, cha-cha-cha. Forward, cha-cha-cha. Across, cha-cha, spin. Turn around, 1, 2, 3. Step, cha-cha-cha, step, cha-cha-cha, step, cha-cha-cha. And that is it. We are nearly finished this dance, so make sure you tune in tomorrow to get the end result, and I cannot wait. Woo! Bye-bye, have a nice day.